Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about another node sale. I posted a tweet with a poll in my Twitter today morning, so asking many whether I have to post another video similar to Zai. So in my channel I posted a video about Zai node, and many of the users who have invested in it had made a decent profits in it. After that, so many projects started copying Zai node sale concept, but there are only few which are investable. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about another such video, which is going to be about Aether. So why I am planning to invest in this? I already invested and I purchased some nodes. In this video, I'll talk about everything about Aether and their tokenomics, their node economics, and what are the rewards you can expect, and then I'll show you how to buy those nodes in live. So everything will be covered in this video. Watch this video till end. Before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So let's begin the video, guys. So first thing, what is Aether? So Aether is a distributed GPU cloud infrastructure for gaming and AI. So if you just go on Google and search for DeepIn, then you will understand that they are one of the DeepIn project. This is a decentralized physical infrastructure network. Right now, online cloud gaming and AI are booming. So in this space, companies which are building on this online or cloud gaming or AI projects, they need the graphical GPU power to use or run their products. So instead of buying the GPUs, what they do is they will purchase this or rent the GPU power from the DeepIn project. So Aether is one of such projects which will provide such services to gaming and AI companies. And if you are thinking this is the first, there are already similar DeepIn projects in the market. Right now, if you see, Render is one of the top project in this category, which is sitting as 28th rank and $4.6 billion market cap. I think which is very huge. And there is another project which is Akash Network. This is also similar. It is sitting at 1.2 billion market cap. And recently, after this DeepIn and AI boom, these two projects have pumped a lot. Now, Aether is also coming with a similar concept to this particular space, and right now it is in very early stage, in which you can, instead of buying those tokens, you can start accumulating those tokens through the node purchase. And before that, if you see, this project also got into Nvidia's inception program. And then if you see this article from Impossible Finance, which is a research report of Aether, here they have directly compared it with other major players like Akash Network and Render. You can see there are two more major parameters you can compare in DeepIn, which is number of GPUs. So Aether is having 40,000 plus GPUs, whereas Akash has only 150 and Render has 4,367 with this such a huge market cap. And not only GPU, the main factor which comes is the T-flop. So T-flops is a it's a measurement of a graphic card computing power. So if you see T-flops, Aether is having a 69,000 T-flops, while Akash is having only 4,000, which is a lot lesser than Aether, and Render is having 85,000. And other than these three, if you compare it with another product which is not having any token, that is IO Network. So IO Network, I already made a video on how to farm Galaxy points on IO Network, and recently they have raised a decent amount of funding. And if you see this IO Network, they also have a lesser GPUs than Aether, but they have a higher number of T-flops, which is 483k. But right now you cannot involve in IO Network through node or anything, but Aether you have the opportunity. So now what we can do? So the only way to involve is getting their nodes before they sell out. So first thing, the tokenomics, as per the tokenomics, token indicator is 80H and the total supply is around 42 billion tokens. And now you can join their checker node sale. So they are going to sell around 100,000 checker nodes. I think that may not sell out instantly, but it will take time. But 100,000 node sale is a very huge number if you compare it with Zai or any other node sales on the market. Zai had like 50,000 nodes, but right now it is sold at around 35,000 nodes are sold out, and 15,000 still on the way. And if you compare it with this, it's having a more number of nodes compared to Zai. Now, right now, node sale is live only for the whitelisted users, but you cannot join now. But on 20th March, 3:30 PM IST, any user can go and join this public round and mint these nodes. I'll show you how to mint the node first, and then I'll talk about the node economics and how you can earn the tokens. So first thing, all you have to do is you have to head over to this page. Link will be in the description below. You can use my referral link. You will get my code. With the code, you will be getting a 10% cash back, and I'll be getting some referral income as well. Just head over to this Ether page, connect your wallet. All you need is Arbitrum. You need to have some wrapped Ethereum on Arbitrum. It's not Ethereum, guys, wrapped Ethereum. It should be in Arbitrum chain, and you will be able to see the current tire available right now. As I'm an influencer supporting the project, they have given me some whitelist slots in Tier 5 and Tier 6. These are not Tier 1 or Tier 2, guys. Tier 5 and Tier 6, which is a higher tier, which I am paying more to buy these two nodes. So Tier 5 I'll just buy and show you. So when you are going to purchase a sale, if it starts from Tier 1, which is a $500 minimum, so just click on purchase here. Once you click on purchase, you'll head over to this page, and in this page you can just enter number of nodes you want to purchase, and here you can see there is a 10% cashback applied because you are using my code. And if you are not having this 10% code here, just click on apply code and enter this code here, Crypto Telugu, and apply. Then you will get 10% cashback. This is actually cashback, guys. So which means if you are making a purchase of $500 now, after 1 week to 10 days time, you will get a cashback of $50 back to your wallet. So just click on approve. You will get a MetaMask pop-up. Just approve it. Then you will get a purchase button. Just click on purchase, and then you do the transaction, and your transaction will be successful and your node purchase is done. So you can see I have purchased 3 nodes in Tier 5. After that, I have purchased another 3 nodes in Tier 6. So total I have right now 6 nodes in the whitelist category. That too higher tier, guys. So Tier 5, Tier 6 means I am paying more to the same nodes, in which public round starts from $500. So now that is how you purchase it. But what you can do with these nodes? First thing, right now you cannot do anything with the nodes until the mainnet is launched. As per current announcements, only after the mainnet you can run your node and start earning Ether tokens. And how much tokens are allocated for this category? If you see the tokenomics, the mining rewards are 50%, but mining rewards include 2 categories. One is a node, checker node rewards. Second is a GPU mining category. So we are not talking about GPU mining, but we are talking about checker node. So how much a checker node category allocation is? So there is a total supply of 15% checker node, 15% of total supply is allocated to the checker nodes, which means by purchasing this node and running them over time, we'll be start accumulating these Ether tokens. Now if we see the price point of this particular sale, it start with Tier 1 in public round, which is starting at around $500. So each node will cost you $500, and once it reaches the cap of that specific tier 5,000, then the price goes up again, 5,750, 500 and 750, then 600, 750, like that. So I have purchased Tier 5 and Tier 6 nodes, which means I have made a purchase at around $875 and $1,000 for these nodes. So which means whitelisting already they are started giving from Tier 5 only. So I am purchasing these nodes at a higher price. But during the public round, it will be available from $500. Don't need any whitelist for that. All you need is you need to be fast enough to grab those nodes. So before grabbing, don't forget to use my code to get the 10% discount code, and there is a specific cap also for each tier per wallet. So if you see, I think if you go till Tier 6, so if you see Tier 6 in the public round itself, there are 10,375 nodes available. I think you can easily get into Tier 5 to Tier 6 before Tier 5, Tier 6. If you get into Tier 1, 2, 3, it will be a good deal, I would say. At around $500 to $600 price range, you will be getting these nodes, and you can start earning these tokens. And now, what is the conversion ratio? There is a claim ratio similar to Zai. So if you followed my Zai video, you will be getting escrow Zai, and then you need to convert that to actual Zai. Similar that they have this V Ether, which can be redeemed into Ether. Now this usual vesting duration is 80 days, which means if you hold it for 80 days, 180 days, after 180 days you can redeem 100%. In case if you are in hurry, if you want to redeem them, you can start redeeming those tokens after 30 days. But you will be having a penalty of 75%, which means if you are redeeming 100 tokens, you will be receiving only 25 tokens to the wallet after 30 days. So that penalties are there. This is applicable for all the tiers. So the supply of the tokens coming into the circulation will be only through this mechanism who are burning and bringing them to the circulation. And if we see the tokenomics, there is no other way tokens are coming in the first 2 years. So for first 1 year, so private sale and other things are only cold round, around 0.1% of the total supply will be released on token generation event. So that is it, and other than that there is no other way you can get these tokens. So now how, whether you have to invest in this or not. So this is basically for long term investment, guys. So for example, if you are investing now, until the token generation event is planned in May, until then you cannot farm any tokens. Only after token generation event you can start farming and redeem those tokens after 30 days. So you should keep all these things in mind and then only make an investment in Aether. But I think definitely this is worth taking the risk, because instead of aping into random meme coin on Solana, this is far better. At least you have some passive income generating over a period of time, and then you can break even and later you can book some profits as well. So now that's all, guys. That's about today's video about Aether node sale and how to join. Don't forget to use my code in the description to get your 10% discount. So it'll start on 20th March 3:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So that's all, guys. That's about today's video. If you like this video, click the like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.